What's up, Weld family? This is the Weld Machine, guys. Got a new microwave. Got the forklift to the backyard, courtesy of the Paradise Towing. Got us a nice little microwave as well. Ooh, it's getting a little chilly on my bald head. Gotta keep it covered up. Starting to cool down a little bit. Hold on. But we went to Harbor Freight, picked up a new accessory. This is for like a miter saw. It's like a little cheap stand for $100. I caught it on sale. So I think max weight it holds is 500 pounds or something like that. It's a great little tool. I'm using it to weld on right now, as you can tell with the titanium welder. It's a great little stand. I'm gonna put my chop saw and band saw probably on there. So there's a couple things that I might end up doing. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so this is what we got. We're gonna miter that end and that end over down there. We got the braces in. That's the front, you know, so on and so forth. All 3-inch tube. I mean, realistically, you don't really need nothing in the front. It ain't that heavy. Not really. That's what the tongue's gonna look like. Then we're gonna have to extend it and kind of bend it in, so we're gonna weld those two together, that and another part to make it form for this. I'm just using scrap right now for everything. But all right, y'all stay tuned. It's been what's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine, guys. We got the forklift to the backyard. You can tell the gravel mark to where the guy got his truck back here. So he packed it down for me. Thank you. Might need to come back out and pack some more. Got another guy. Here's the forklift. Bought the manual last night for $30 for this forklift. Hey, hey, what are you doing? Oh, he playing with the bone. Go ahead, play. But yeah, guys, so this is the welding machine. This is what we got on the trailer so far. I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see it very clearly. See like that. All right, so this is the trailer. This is the welding rig trailer. So we got it made out of some 3-inch channel for the hitch receiver. For those, we're gonna cut some 45s. We're gonna run it back a little further with some extra pieces I got right there. Ah, you just spilled your water. Well, this trailer's made completely out of old material, and I gotta cut those pieces off right there and on that side. But yeah, this is what we got. This is what we got. It's just a 10-foot trailer. We're gonna put the toolbox. That is gonna be like scrap slash trash or some crap. I don't know yet for sure what we're gonna do. But this is gonna be the new welding rig trailer. We got the plate and everything. But yeah, we've been using titanium MIG 170. That's what it looks like. Y'all stay tuned. It's been the welding machine. You guys have a great day. I'm about to go ahead and pack it up and call it a day. Peace.